Spectrum vs Verizon, two internet giants. Who comes out on top? Spectrum vs Verizon, two internet giants. Who comes out on top? We are comparing speed, pricing, coverage, and reliability. First up, connection type. Spectrum offers cable internet. Verizon delivers fiber, Fios, and 5G home internet. Fiber equals faster and more reliable. Cable equals more widely available. Trophy emoji, winner, connection type, Verizon, fiber and 5G combo. Next, internet speed. Spectrum goes up to 1 gigabit per second on cable. Verizon Fios offers up to 2 gigabits per second symmetric, upload and download. 5G home internet delivers around 85 to 300 megabits per second. Trophy emoji, winner, speed, Verizon Fios. Let's talk about pricing. Spectrum starts at $49.99 per month for 300 megabits per second. Verizon 5G home starts at $35 per month with mobile plan. Fios starts around $49.99 per month. Trophy emoji, winner, budget pricing, Verizon 5G home. What about contracts and fees? Both providers are contract-free. No early termination fees. Nice. Spectrum includes free modem, no data caps. Verizon also offers no data caps and free equipment. Trophy emoji, winner, flexibility. Let's compare availability. Spectrum is in 41 plus states. Verizon Fios is only in 9 states, mostly Northeast. Verizon 5G home is expanding, but still limited. Trophy emoji, winner, coverage, Spectrum. Next, streaming and gaming performance. Fiber offers low latency for smoother gaming. Cable internet can slow during peak hours. Verizon Fios performs better under load. Trophy emoji, winner, streaming and gaming, Verizon. What about equipment and setup? Spectrum provides free modem. Router may cost extra. Verizon offers equipment included with most plans. Self-installation options available with both. Trophy emoji, winner, setup and equipment, Verizon. How's the customer service? Verizon consistently ranks higher in customer satisfaction. Spectrum has made improvements, but still mixed reviews. Trophy emoji, winner, support, Verizon. Let's compare bundle options. Spectrum offers TV, internet, and phone bundles. Verizon bundles mobile, Fios, and streaming, Disney+, Hulu. Trophy emoji, winner, bundle deals, Verizon. Who's better for rural areas? Spectrum has wider cable coverage. Verizon 5G home may be available in select non-fiber areas. Trophy emoji, winner, rural coverage, Spectrum. Final verdict, who wins? Choose Verizon if you want speed, streaming quality, and customer service. Choose Spectrum if you want wide coverage and simpler pricing. Your location and needs matter most. Check your zip code before you decide. Thumbs up emoji, like, speech bubble emoji, comment, and bell emoji. Subscribe for more tech breakdowns.